The Election Commission started the Special Intensive Revision or SIR in 12 states and union territories on November 4th. The process will continue till February 7th. The states and union territories covered under this SIR are as follows. If you want to remain on the voters list or if you want to register as a new voter, you have to pass the SIR test. For that, what should you do? Let me explain. Step number 1. Get your enumeration form. Currently, we are in the enumeration stage. In the enumeration stage, you must be familiar with the title Booth Level Officers or BLO. They are government servants tasked with managing the voters in a booth. The BLOs will visit your home and give you a pre-filled enumeration form that carries your name and the electoral photo identity card number or EPIC number. The form will also carry the address, assembly constituency, serial number and existing photograph. If your BLO hasn't reached you yet, visit this website and search using your EPIC number to see who your BLO is and get the contact number. If you prefer not to wait for the BLO, you can download and fill in your pre-filled enumeration form on the same website or through ECI Net app. Step number 2. Check and fill your details. Once you receive the enumeration form, check it carefully for the already filled in details. Now, you have to fill in the blank fields such as your date of birth, mobile number, names of the parents and EPIC numbers. Filling up the Aadhaar number is optional. Then, you have to proceed to fill in the details from the last SIR which took place between 2002 and 2005. The details include name, EPIC number, relative's name, relationship with them, etc. Again, you can get all these details from the same website. What should you do if you cannot find your name in the past SIR rolls? You have to look for the names of your parents or close relatives. If you can trace your close relatives in the electoral roll in the last SIR, you only need to fill in those details. In case you are unable to link with the previous roll, don't worry. I will explain the steps later in this video. Also, remember you don't have to submit any documents at this stage. Step number 3. Submit the form via offline or online. Fill in all the details, establish your link to the last SIR, sign the form and submit it. Either you can hand it over to the BLO during their next visit or you can submit online through the website mentioned. If you are giving the filled form to BLO, you have to give only one copy. You can keep the second copy as an acknowledgement of receipt. If you are submitting the form online, take a screenshot or save the acknowledgement for your own records. When your BLO visits next time, you can inform them that you have already completed the process online. If a member of your family is away, an adult member of the household can sign on behalf of other family members. Step number 4. Keep your documents ready. If you are unable to trace your own name or your relatives in the past SIR, you have to show documents that prove your eligibility to remain in the rolls. You will be asked to produce the documents after the draft roll is published on December 9th. Keep one or more of the following documents ready. Those who are born in India before July 1st, 1987 can provide any single document from the list above. Those born between July 1st, 1987 and December 2nd, 2004 have to provide a document for the elector and one document for one parent. Those born after December 2nd, 2004 have to provide documents for the elector as well as both parents. The Electoral Registration Officer ERO, usually a sub-divisional magistrate who is senior to the BLO, may ask for additional documents if not satisfied about your age or citizenship. Step number 5. Check the draft electoral roll on December 9th. The Election Commission will publish the draft electoral rolls on December 9th. You have to check it carefully to see if your name appears. If your name is missing from it or your details are incorrect, you can file a claim or objection between December 9th and January 8, 2026. If you could not find your own or your family's name in an old SIR electoral roll, you will receive a notice from the ERO between December 9th and January 31st, 2026. You have to submit documents to prove eligibility, including proof of citizenship. Even if your name appears in the draft roll but you had left the past SIR roll fields blank while submitting the form, you will still get such a notice. Step number 6. Confirm your name on the final electoral roll on February 7, 2026. If your name is deleted from the final roll, you can appeal in the district magistrate within 15 days of the roll being published. If your first appeal fails, you can submit the second appeal with the Chief Electoral Officer of your state in the next 15 days. The following dates are crucial and you have to keep an eye out for them. Despite all the controversy surrounding it, SIR is an important factor in the upcoming elections. So, be cautious, stay aware, and do your part.